Kenya is in Kenya, family. And I just want to let you guys know that Brand Jam Reggae Bistro opening on the 13th of July, family. A place where you can get authentic Jamaican food cooked by a Jamaican chef. Pull up and show up. It's gonna be the opening. It's gonna be a blast.
And I'm talking about a place called Brand Jam. Right? Now, this place is a Jamaican restaurant. It has amazing ambience. The service is crazy. And this weekend they are launching, and it's going to be the 13th of July. You better show yourself because I'm going to be there. I'm going to be the MC, and I want you to come with your Payless account. If you have your Payless on you, on your phone, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a small discount on anything you get. And I'm talking about Jamaican food. I'm talking about all their best mocktails and cocktails, their signature cocktails and mocktails. I'm going to be there as the MC, and I will tell you if you have your Payless, I will give you a discount. Me personally,